Hi everyone, my name is Michele Gallegos and I'm going to talk about Delta Airlines and a few ways they can enhance their customer service. So I have a few recommendations for them. The first here in strategic recommendation 1 is to provide free streaming service on board via personal device. So on their laptops, their tablets, mobile devices, those are things that our typical traveler is traveling with. So if we look at the benefits, I'm doing this looking at the Blue Ocean strategy. So a quick briefing on what that is. The textbook definition is the simultaneous pursuit of differentiation and low cost to open up a new market space and create new demand. So basically that's just, we'll go into it. Using these 4 boxes, they're trying to figure out what people want and what comes associated with that, what they're trying to improve, reduce for their customers. So first one here, eliminate. We are going to eliminate screens on the backs of seats of airplanes. This is for both planes that are already here. That means taking out that hardware and then leaving it off of new aircrafts in the future. In reduce, we're reducing the maintenance and installation costs that was associated with those. And by not having that in there, we're looking at fuel costs being eliminated because we're going to have more efficiency with that weight taken off of planes. And then it removes the problem of obsolete hardware. Since we're not going to have that in there, people will be using their own devices. We don't have to worry about updating the technology. And then what we're looking to do is raise the customer experience in flight, and making it more convenient for them to watch this streaming service on their own personal device. In the create category, we are creating their enhanced experience for customers, giving them entertainment options that not all travelers have previously had because